Its breadboard power supply module is compatible with 5 V and 3.3 V. We are now going to test its output voltage value using a multimeter. The first way is to power the module by a 2-cell battery. First, set the onboard switch to 5 V and set the multimeter to 20 V. Then use the multimeter list to detect each 2 points on board. You can see the voltage value shown on the multimeter screen. After that, set the switch to 5 V. Then use the multimeter list to detect each 2 points on board. You can see the output voltage is constant for DC 5 V. The second way is to power the module while connecting to your computer with a USB cable. And the following testing steps are the same as above. Test is now over. Thank you.